There are fishes in this thing. Oh yeah. I don't know if my camera can you all see that little fish? Oh.
After
Hi guys.
hello.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are at Lekki Conversation Centre.
Yeah, you can.
Conservation. And I'm here with my friend Andrew. You guys are twinning. So right now Andrew is trying to pay for our ticket. So there's a yellow one and there's a white one. The yellow one is for the canopy walk. We went for the canopy walk, and then the other one is for a space at the family park. So it costs 2,000 naira to get these tickets. For one person is 2,000 naira. So yeah, here Andrew's trying to help me put it on my reel.
Just be careful. I'm saying, see a monkey in front of you. Hello, Majala. How are you enjoying the experience so far?
Well, it's chill. So we're on our way to the canopy walk.
Yep.
And it's really a long walk. Here are some girls taking cute pictures. No music, Bluetooth speaker in the forest.
Animals here now, for real. Not just monkeys, they're different animals. Majala is really having fun. What is wrong with this?
Say no to drones. That's what I keep preaching.
So get ready, we're going to climb now. You're going to climb. Okay, that's another monkey.
Okay. He's just captured from afar.
Yeah.
Hide the phone. Thanks.
Would you like scared? 20. Okay. Why is there a queue everywhere in Nigeria? There's always a queue there.
Want to climb?
I'm about to climb the canopy right now. We almost got mugged by monkey.
Yeah, so we're on the line to go climb the canopy walk. The tour guide is trying to explain some things here, basically. So the canopy walk has different stops. After each stage you stop, so we're at one of the stops right now.
How's it been so far? Should we just buy a mattress and you just stay here? Like, boom, here.
I swear. Even with the monkey. Aladdin. No, Tarzan.
Tarzan, cool.
There are like 7 stages for this canopy walk, and there's a stop at each stage. The tour guide was trying to inform us about something. This is me resting, and this is me on a canopy walk. I couldn't really record much here because it's really, you need to focus. So this is somewhere to sign, so you can like to go with a marker so you can sign your name on there. Yeah, so this is the final and last stage of the canopy walk.
You're making me go to my back.
A girl could use some water. What do you want to eat? Right? Has someone mad barbecue like that? These small chops. Okay, pop. Oh, there's a park. Let's buy our stuff here now. We can go to the park. I want to buy that coconut because of the picture. I want this. Sit down, right? Why are you angry?
I'm not angry, you know. Just one?
Do you want one too? You want food? I want turkey. That turkey is entering my eye.
Can we go?
So So we're currently at the family park. Wait, where's this place?
It's the family park.
No. That board thing to play games.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
How's this one for?
It's chess now. Chess.
Let's go.
Family. Okay.
This is Andrew's angry face. What?
There's no food here. Love. This one looks like food. See the stomach. Bitch. Ha. You beat me.
So Andrew is playing with the daughter of the woman that sold us food. Her name is Grace. She's really smart. Yeah, she's a very cute little girl.
Please, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Hey.
Oh, there's a volleyball sport. Nice. Yeah, I did it. What time is it? Check your watch.
5:34.
And then there is like a pond. Wow. Is that a duck? I think it's a brick just sticking out. There are fishes in this thing. Oh yeah. I don't know if my camera can. Can you all see that little fish? Oh. All right. This way. Yeah, can you all see that monkey? He's actually sitting like an actual being. Hey. Is it dancing? Is it a he or a she? How do you even know their sexes? I'm holding my phone so close to my chest right now. These guys, one of these guys snatched a popcorn in front of me. So it's a risk actually filming this for you guys. And these guys over here at the volleyball sports, they are having a little mini party. Okay. Like a table tennis sport. Where are they going to? Oh, that's another exit. Okay, this is a car park exit. Let's go.
Hold your phone.
Ninja, keep off. Oh, is there something? What's inside? Is it crocodile that's in this one? Alligator. Do not throw anything into the pond. You see the speed Andrew used to shift back. Is there anything inside?
Crocodile.
Okay. These monkeys are enjoying it.
Now the chocolate every day.
See this monkey living la vida loca. Okay.